this video, I am using 5PLY new cotton yarn and a 4mm hook. At first, we need to make a slip knot. Then we are going to chain 9, yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. Here is the first chain. Do it for 8 times more. Then return to the second chain from the hook. Go into the back loop and pull through the yarn. Then yarn over and pull through the 2 loops on the hook. Then do that again. Here is 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then we are going to work 6 single crochets in order. Then work 3 single crochets in the last chain. Then work 7 single crochets in order. Work a slip stitch to end round 1. For round 2, chain 1 first, then work 2 single crochets in the first stitch. Work 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Then work 6 single crochets in order. Work 2 single crochets in each of the next 3 stitches. Then work 6 single crochets in order. Work 2 single crochets in the last stitch. Then work a slip stitch to end round 2. Here is the bottom. Then we are going to crochet the side. For round 1 of the side, chain 1 first. Then yarn over, go into the first stitch, and pull through the yarn. Here is an unfinished half double crochet. We need to do it for 3 times more. Then yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. Here is a cluster. Then chain 1. Do another cluster in the same stitch. Then skip the next 2 stitches. We are going to work in the 3rd stitch. Do a cluster first. then chain 1, and do another cluster in the same stitch. Repeat the same pattern for a total of 8 times. Work a slip stitch to end round 1. For round 2, chain 1 first. Then work a cluster in the middle of the 2 clusters in round 1. Then chain 1, and work another cluster in the same place. Here is a repeat pattern. Repeat it for a total of 8 times. Then work a slip stitch to end round 2. Work round 3 to round 5 in the same way. Then we are going to work the strap. Start in the middle of the 2 clusters. For row 1, chain 1 first. Then work a cluster in the same place. Chain 1 and work another cluster. Repeat the same pattern for 2 times more. Here is our first row. For row 2, chain 1 first. Then turn our work. Work a cluster in the middle of the first pattern. Then work a cluster in the middle of the next pattern. Chain 1 and work another cluster in the same place. Then work a cluster in the middle of the last pattern. Here is our second row. For row 3, chain 1 first, then turn our work. Work a cluster in the middle. chain 1 and work another cluster in the same place. Here is the third row. For row 4, chain 1 first, then turn and work a cluster in the middle. Then chain 1 and work another cluster. Here is the fourth row. For row 5, chain 1 first and turn. Work a cluster in the middle. Then chain 1 and work another cluster. Finally, chain 1, then cut the yarn. Here is the strap on the one side. Finish the other side in the same way. Then we need to sew them together. Put a leather label. Then we have finished this bag. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.